Here's a 2019 GMC Canyon Crew Cab all-terrain diesel, only 21,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in maroon. Sharp, extremely rare vehicle here with the diesel. Hard to find them. They've been putting some of the diesels in the ZR2s as well, but really hard to find these Canyons with that engine. So let's just kind of take a look at what we got. The all-terrain package does give you the body-colored front end with a blacked-out 3-bar grille, high-intensity headlamps, as well as halogen fog lights in the lower bumper fascia. You get the all-terrain wheel. I call it a spider web wheel, brushed aluminum face, graphite pocketed. Goodyear tires all the way around, 3/4 tread or better. You also can see nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. Do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. Find the results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. Peek through the passenger side front seat. Power seat here on the passenger side. Ebony leather bolsters, it looks like, with cloth insert. See the all-terrain engraving there on the seat back. 2 bucket seats, some console automatic floor shifter in between. Do give you some offset red stitching in the dash and the door panel, a little bit of graphite accents. Really good looking interior. Let's go ahead and take a peek in the glove box. You can see we got all the books in there. I want to show you the report that we spoke of there. Just to show you, we got 9s and 10s on the tires. New is typically around 12, so we're 3/4 or better. You see brand new brakes front and rear all the way around. We will not skimp on reconditioning. We'll always go over these vehicles 100% before putting them on the lot. Crew cab gives you very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room. Back of the console shows you got 2 USBs and a power supply. Help keep all those electronic devices connected, charged up. Longer bed here. You can see by the space between the back of the cab and the wheel, we got a nice long bed here, which is also hard to come by. No oxidation on the frame rail. See the all-terrain badging does have the park sensor system, class 3 tow hitch with wiring, backup camera, soft to no cover, easy drop tailgate with the spray-in bed liner, factory spray-in bed liner. Got the factory splash guards on the back. It's all accessorized nicely. No oxidation on that frame rail. Brand new spare underneath. 5-inch chrome door-to-door running boards come with the all-terrain package. And it's a very clean interior. As I stick my nose in here, it still smells like a new car. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. Then you got power adjuster here on the driver's side as well. Also classic positioning of the windows, mirrors, and locks. And we always do promise 2 sets of keys. I have one here for the purpose of this video. You can see it is equipped with a factory remote start, keyless entry, and panic. Let's go ahead and hop in here. Let's see, it does have the upgraded Bose sound. A lot of goodies on the all-terrain. You hear the rumble with the diesel, 21,990 on the mile. Show you the Carfax. We always keep that on the dash. No accidents or damage. One owner. Does have the trailer package with the proportioning valve. Also have your high automatic headlamp control, push for fog, electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. Like I said, upgraded Bose sound, AM, FM satellite radio. Got the ability to pair your phone. It's got the factory navigation, as you can see, so it is very well loaded up. And then we got your dual climate control. See, we got those analog settings down here as well. See Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, mobile hotspot, all kinds of goodies within that Bose radio. Beyond the climate control, we have exhaust brake on the diesel. Pretty cool with your trailer, traction control, ability to turn on your cargo light, downhill descent, the ability to turn off those park sensors I showed you. Does have heated seats on the driver and the passenger side. Got your ability to select any of the gears and the automatic transmission here on the side. 2 cup holders. Big console with another 12-volt power supply in there. See what else we got here. OnStar. All GM vehicles have OnStar. Auto dim on the rear view. AC blows nice and cold. We got illuminated visors there on both sides, as you can see. Let's take a peek at this diesel. As I'm telling you, they are hard to come by. Excellent efficiency with this engine, and you will not have a loss of power. 2.8 liter Duramax diesel. Quiet and clean, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks. No corrosion on the battery terminals, as you can see. Well maintained, looks like a new engine bay. It's so quiet. These new diesels amaze me on how quiet they are. If you didn't know any better, you'd almost wonder if it was a gas, but very, very quiet, small block diesel. Let's go ahead and turn the engine off. We'll get into the last portion of the video here. Now, just to recap, 3/4 tread on the tires, light new on the brakes, one owner, clean Carfax. Couple little chips there on the fender. My job now, I'm just going to kind of walk around the car, show you any minor imperfections vehicle may have. Looks good. Bedside looks good. See no real dings or dents, scrapes or scuffs. Back of the bumper. Couple little chips down there. You can see one right here, but not dented or dinged. Tailgate same way. Couple little chips, as you can see, but not dented. This bedside, as we look up the passenger side again, looks good. Normally, if you're going to find damage on a truck, it's going to be on the bed somewhere. Looks good. Nice clean. Couple little marks here on this fender as well. It does have the chip guard. I don't know if you can see this line in the video. It's a plastic guard. Actually helps save the fender here from chipping. I'm assuming it's probably on the bumper as well. See it on this fender also. Little line there. Got chip guard on the front. Now the hood does not, so we did get a couple little chips here on the front face of the hood. I'll quickly pan across. But all in all, guys, like new crew cab GMC all-terrain diesel. Does still have the remainder of GMC's powertrain and factory and comprehensive warranties transferable to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in Collinsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up online, www.allthingsautomotive.com, or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.